Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today, look forward to sharing with you about this Freezimer countertop ice maker. Who sent me this to put to the test? And I look forward to sharing with you about my experience with this product. This is an ice maker that I think would be great to use if you have company, you have a party, or as a backup ice maker. And if you got a family and you go through ice pretty quick, this again would be a great product as well. So let's talk about what's included. Obviously, you got the ice maker, you have a tray for catching the ice cubes, you have a cup for filling the water up, you've got a scooper, and you also have a helpful instruction booklet. Now, hopefully my video will be of help to you. So as I share with you highlights, if it is, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find I add value, then click that subscribe button. And of course, the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So let's talk about specs. It does take 7 to 10 minutes to make a batch of ice. There are 9 bullet ice cubes that are made during the cycle. It does make up to 33 pounds of ice per day, and it has a 2.8 liter water tank. All right, so the water tank is down there, as you can see. Now, as far as the unit, first of all, when you get it, you want to make sure to let it sit for 24 hours. That is the recommendation. This is a stainless steel unit, plastic, and then of course you can see the clear cover on top. It does have a bit of weight to it. To me, it's a very nice looking ice maker. And then on the back, you've got the fan, as you can see. You got a very long cord. I mean, this is great. So if you are not close to a wall, this is great. So you don't have to be too close. And then underneath, you have, you can see the rubberized pieces. And then right here is where the drain piece is for. So when you are done using the ice maker, and I just got some water all over my counter, then that's what that is for. So I did have a little bit, I was using it before, and so there's still a little bit of water in there. Now, as far as the functions, you've got all your functions here, very easy unit to use. So you've got 2 size cubes, I'll show you those in a minute. You got large and small, and then it also has a clean function. Now, when you first get it after the 24 hours, you do want to run the clean. And basically what you'll do is you're going to put the mode into the clean mode. And let me go actually ahead and plug it in so I can show you that to you. So you'll see it does light up. You've got the light up green. And so you're just going to press the mode clean, and then you press start. And it does this for 6 minutes, so it's doing its process to help clean. It is recommended to do that once a month as well. Again, then you just let it do its stuff, and then it's done. Then you also have here, it does show that it's ready to make ice. Also, it does give you the indicator here. This is the, as far as this one here, this is where you need to add water, and then also when it's filled with cubes and you need to remove the cubes, that's there as well. So you got a lot of space here. The way this would work is you would put this tray in here, it would sit that in there. And the cubes are in there, and then you would just take them out, and then you would just put those in the freezer. You don't want to let them sit too long because they will melt. Now let me go ahead and get the ice cubes out for you just to show you. But you can see it's a little bit smaller with the smaller cube, just a little bit. Now as far as these 2 cubes, so you can see there, it's just a bullet, and so you're going to have all that, which is air, because that's where it is made in the machine. And so you're going to find that these cubes are going to melt a good bit quicker than a standard cube of ice. So if you were thinking about this as a replacement, because I like, by the way, for water, I use the Aqua True reverse osmosis system, which is great if you're looking for water, by the way. So if you are looking to make fresh ice, rather than using your line, let's say you live in an apartment complex, so as I do, then maybe this would be a good way to go, because then you're making fresh ice, or there's other ways to do that too. But I think from the standpoint, if you want longer lasting cubes, these are not going to really be the way to go. Again, they're great for company. They're great if you need to make extra ice. But otherwise, I think it's great to have on hand for those times when you need it. So overall, I do like this ice maker. Again, it's quick, it's not too loud, it has a cleaning system. You can make small ice, you can make big ice, and something, again, that you can use on a regular basis for those times of need. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate the company sending it to me. Cool product, and definitely could see having this on hand should I have it for those times of need. So when I'm having some company or I need some backup ice. All right, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.